Meaning of imagesetter.
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 Imagesetter. An imagesetter is a device used in the printing industry to produce high-quality printed materials. The device works by exposing photosensitive film to a laser beam, which creates an image of the document or design. This image is then used to create a printing plate or pattern for reproduction on paper or other surfaces. The use of an imagesetter allows for greater precision and detail in printing, making it ideal for tasks such as typesetting, graphic design, and large-scale commercial printing. Overall, an imagesetter is an essential tool for producing high-quality printed materials quickly and efficiently.